Today we will learn how to do the basic wiring of a contactor. But before we start wiring, let's understand what a contactor is. A contactor is an electrically operated switch used to control motors, heaters, or lighting circuits. When we energize the coil, it closes the main contacts and the load gets connected to power. A typical contactor has two coil terminals, A1 and A2. These are connected to the control circuit, usually 230 volts AC or 24 volt DC depending on the contactor type. Then we have the three input terminals L1, L2, L3 for the supply side and three output terminals T1, T2, T3 which go to the motor or load. Now let's begin the actual wiring of a simple three-phase motor using a contactor. We will do this step by step, so follow along carefully. First, we need to connect the three-phase supply to the contactor. Take the incoming supply lines, that is, the three-phase wires, red, yellow and blue. Connect these to the top terminals of the contactor. Connect red wire to L1, yellow wire to L2 and blue wire to L3. These terminals L1, L2 and L3 are the input side of the contactor. Now let's connect the load, which in our case is a three-phase motor. Take three wires from the motor side and connect them to the bottom terminals of the contactor. Connect the first motor wire to T1 and second to T2 and the third to T3. These T1, T2, T3 terminals are the output side of the contactor. When the contactor turns on, power flows from L1, L2, L3 to T1, T2, T3 and the motor starts. Now comes the most important part, the coil wiring. This will control when the contactor turns on or off. Take a wire from the phase line, for example the red wire, pass it through a normally open push button switch. From the output of the push button, connect the wire to terminal A1 of the contactor coil. Then take another wire from the neutral line and connect it to terminal T2. This completes the coil circuit. Now, when you press the push button, the phase current flows through the button and reaches terminal A1. Since A2 is connected to neutral, the coil gets energized. This pulls in the contactor, closes the L1T1, L2T2 and L3T3 contacts, and power flows to the motor. And that's how the contactor wiring is done to control a three-phase motor with a simple push button. Let's make this circuit safer using a start and stop button setup. Stop button is connected first in series to A1. Auxiliary NO contact of the contactor is connected parallel to with start button NO. This way, the contactor will latch and remain on even after you release the start button until you press the stop button. So this was the basic contactor wiring step by step. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, drop your questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep wiring.